This is exercise number 5. There are 10 sentences given below, and these are all incomplete sentences, and we have to complete these sentences by recalling the story of Raheel and Basit. Look at the first sentence. Raheel and Basit went for long walks in the forest because. If you have read the story carefully, you know very well that why the Basit and Raheel went for long walks in the forest. Yes, because they were nature lovers. So the sentence will be complete as Raheel and Basit went for long walks in the forest because they were nature lovers. Dear friends, I'm going to complete another one. Look at the fifth sentence. The fifth sentence is they lost their way in the forest because. The sentence will be complete as they lost their way in the forest because they had gone deep into the forest. So dear friends, this is very easy exercise. You have to follow the way and complete this exercise. And just stop the video here and complete the sentences yourself, and finally match your answers with our answers. Thank you very much.